Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and today we have Miss Sheila's Southern Chicken Cordon Bleu. And she's been dying to share this recipe with you.
Yes.
She's all excited. And we've got everything laid out here, so I'm going to let her take it away.
We have 3 chicken breasts, and we butterfly these and flattened them out, pounded them up really good.
And over here we've got flour that's
You're right.
seasoned.
And egg wash.
And then
a secret ingredient, Ritz crackers.
Ritz crackers, and we have a little panko breadcrumbs as well.
Yes.
But Ritz crackers add so much buttery flavor.
Every casserole in the South has Ritz crackers.
So her chicken cordon bleu is no different.
No different.
And there's some seasoning in that too.
Yes.
We've got some salt and pepper and stuff because, you know, you're going to have a lot of seasoning with the ham and everything, right? The bacon and stuff. Okay, so
2 layers of those.
2 pieces of ham.
Yeah, and do it all on one side.
Okay.
So I'll do it this way.
And then we got
Cheese.
Swiss.
Yes, Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese, 2 pieces.
Right here. And bacon. You know, in the South, we love bacon.
Everything in the South is with bacon.
Bacon and eggs, bacon this, bacon that.
So
Bacon
2
sandwich.
strips of bacon.
Yes. You like BLTs? I do.
Oh, yeah. And then 1 more kind of cheese. This is the Havarti cheese, right?
No, it is, and I love that kind of cheese.
It really melts really nice.
Yes. And then you do this, and you fold it over.
Okay.
Or stretch it over by the time you get all the stuff in it.
You gotta really stretch that chicken.
Yeah.
Need a toothpick here to hold this together because that's...
And then we dredge it in the flour here.
And that's seasoned flour. We got salt and pepper in there. So you want to dredge both sides. All that stuff, Shishi.
Yes, look at that.
Load that on there. Okay.
And then give it an egg
Egg
wash.
wash. Okay.
Yes. Egg wash. And then my favorite.
Put it in your secret ingredient.
Yes, Ritz crackers. Southern Ritz crackers.
With some panko breadcrumbs. It's gonna make a mess. You're gonna make a mess with this,
Yes.
but that's okay. Messy is delicious. Just remember that. There we go. We'll put it on the plate temporarily.
Yes, look at that.
Doesn't that look good?
That's a meal in itself.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry already.
We have preheated the oven for 375 degrees. And on the skillet here, we have it on medium heat. And here we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter
Okay.
in this. And then just bring that over here and we'll put that in. Yes, there. There
So
we
we've
go.
got to fit all 3 of these in
Yeah.
there.
Now then, don't that look good?
It does look good.
So we're going to brown up each side of these. Flip one over here. Hold the skillet.
I'm a holding.
Here we go.
Yummy.
Cheese is melting good. There's one.
Might need 2 hands of that one.
Look at that.
Okay. And we're just going to let that brown up on that side.
It takes 3 or 4 minutes on each side to get brown.
And you just want to make sure you get all the edges and stuff too.
Right.
But it's going to continue to cook in the oven, right?
It is.
So we're going to get this put in the oven then.
Right.
And we're going to leave this in there about 30 to 40 minutes. It just depends on the oven. These are awfully big chickens, right?
Right, they are. Don't this look good? Okay, now we're going to transfer this into the bacon dish. so we can put it in the oven.
Alright.
Those are so heavy that you have to use two
I know, 2 hands to get them in there.
This is going to be in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and this was in the oven at 375 degrees and for about 30 minutes.
And my oven cooks really fast.
It
so
does, don't it?
Yeah, it does. I mean, your oven might, vary, so just keep an eye on it. And we did the internal temperature; it was 165, so we're good to go.
All right.
And doesn't that look good?
You want me to get one out?
Here, I'm gonna use this tongs. I think
Okay,
it might be easy. And don't forget to take out your toothpicks
Yes.
because
Don't eat those.
pull it open and doesn't that look delicious?
It does.
Wow.
And the Ritz looks good.
Oh my gosh, you gotta love Ritz. I found my toothpick too. I got my toothpick out of
I
there.
haven't found mine yet.
You better find it before you bite into it.
There it is.
See, when you cut it open, you'll see the toothpick. Just make sure you get that toothpick out of there.
I'm ready.
Okay. Oh my gosh, the Ritz.
Really good.
The Ritz really makes a difference in that breading, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's great. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we'll be eating.
I thought you'd like this one.
I like Miss Sheila's recipe here. This is good stuff. I don't know about you, but I'd be making this. And I know
I
the
love
rest
to
of
cut the cheese and the ham and the bacon. And
And the two cheeses really complement each other too.
They do.
And the bacon, you don't need to add a lot of extra seasoning because the bacon and the ham and everything has plenty of salt. So a little bit of pepper and
And you can use sauce, like sauce on it. If you
yeah, the
want to.
hollandaise sauce. You could use whatever, a lot of people use honey mustard. There's different sauces you can use with cordon bleu. But honestly, this tastes delicious just like it is. I would just make it just like this.
I've
So-
always been, he always said that, like Steve said, you always like dipping things, dippy stuff.
Uh-huh.
I said, yeah, I always do, but this you don't even need it.
No, this is delicious. I'm telling you what.
Yep.
You got to try this at home, definitely, because I just really gonna dig into this. Like, heck with the ending. Let's just go.
Yeah.
Let's go eat.
Whatever.
We've been cooking all day, so we're kind of hungry. So, thanks again for watching and liking
Subscribing.
and sharing with all of your friends. We really appreciate you. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
And Twitter.
Instagram, and join our free membership.
As Steve would say, is this the best?
Miss Sheila's Southern Chicken Cordon Bleu. If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Take another bite.
I am. I'm
Okay.
going to get another bite here. Wait a minute.
I'm waiting.
I'm waiting. I know. I'm busy. I was talking. Okay, here we
Of
go.
course.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.